Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we learn how to retrieve the nth element from an array in JavaScript. Arrays are one of the most common data structures, and being able to efficiently access specific elements is crucial. This technique is used in data processing, searching algorithms, and then dynamic UI renderings. Let's get started. Arrays in JavaScript are zero-based, meaning the first element is at index 0. Additionally, JavaScript allows us to use negative indices to count from the end of the array. This function ensures we can access elements flexibly and handle out-of-bounds errors gracefully. This function works by using slice, which extracts a portion of the array. If n is positive, it selects one element starting at index n. If n is negative, it retrieves an element counted from the end. The 0 at the end ensures we return only the single extracted value instead of an array. This function is designed to be flexible and safe. It defaults to the first element if no index is given. Correctly handles both positive and negative indices, and ensures that out-of-bounds indices return undefined instead of throwing errors. These examples demonstrate how our function correctly retrieves elements using positive and negative indices, while also ensuring that out-of-bounds values return undefined safely. This is particularly useful in dynamic applications where indices may vary. This function is widely used in data manipulation, pagination systems, and game development. Whether you're fetching user comments, retrieving player inventory, or selecting data records dynamically, this technique ensures you can efficiently access any specific element in an array. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to retrieve elements from an array dynamically, using positive and negative indices, ensuring that data is accessed safely even when the index is out of bounds. Try using this method in your own applications to handle pagination, user selection, or dynamic filtering effectively. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.